everyone.
Hey guys, it's nice to see you again. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here and this is the first time of you clicking on our faces or knowing of our existence, hi, hello, how you doing? You, my friend, are looking beautiful.
So, we're not going to lie to you. This is a couple days after the actual video that you're going to watch.
Because, I don't know
what happened, really.
I don't know how to fully tell you, but like, we are bad, not even YouTubers, but we're bad like content creators, like whatever you want to call us, we're just bad at it.
We have bad memory, quite clearly, because how does one forget to do an intro to a video? We do not know, but hey, it happened, so here we are. Very
quickly before we go, I just felt the need to put on sunglasses because you know what? Let me tell you, this video is gonna be hot.
But basically,
you've seen the title.
This video, yeah, you've seen the title. Essentially what we're doing, we're following Madison Beer's Vogue makeup routine. Basically, we didn't follow it like to the full capacity, let's call it. We followed it to basically as much as we could do.
But the results at the end,
they were magical.
Phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. But you know what? We'll let you guys be the judge of it.
Yeah,
and you know what? I feel like I need my shades for this, right? And without further ado, you already know what's gonna happen. Let's get right on in.
Let's skedaddle onto it.
I have a question. Which one? I bought two.
Oh, do you want us to match?
We can match.
Should we match?
Yeah, let's match.
Okay.
By the way, obviously I'm wearing white, but I'm a messy makeupper.
Makeupper?
Yeah, someone that does makeup. So I'm gonna put like a tissue. Oh my goodness, I forgot I bought you both. Yay!
Also, by the way, I haven't watched it yet because I wanted it to be like a surprise sort of thing, like a first impression when I do it.
We love you, Queen. We stand you.
Well, like,
oh my goodness, she's winning.
Girl, we're on the same wavelength. Technically, we've already like not prepped our skin, but like cleansed it.
Oh, I've already prepped. Yeah. I've already prepped everything.
No, the only thing I need to put on is primer. So you know what? While she's talking, I'm just gonna throw some primer on, not oil based. Oh, she's started.
Oh, she's started. Wait. Madison, wait.
I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready. You went too fast now.
You went way too quickly. I was just prepping my face.
I used to have really out of control eyebrows.
So she starts eyebrows.
This amazing trend of soap brows, which
I don't have soap like that, unfortunately.
It's literally a block of soap. Take a spoolie brush, and you really get soap in there. Just brush through your eyebrows. And again, I don't know if I do this right.
I'll brush through my eyebrows.
I like the way that it looks.
But I ain't got soap. Okay, the point being is she starts foundation, so we can basically start foundation.
No, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I know how I'm going to do it. I don't care what type of soap I'm going to use, but I'm going to use soap. Now, do I have the little brushy brush thing that she's using?
I've got a spoolie, if you need it, actually.
I'm 100% going to go all in with this makeup routine.
I mean, like, I can brush them up, because that is what the...
Oh, I do have a spoolie. Lovely. I've got a spoolie. See, I'm going to go put soap on this. I don't care what type of soap, but we're going to go try it.
She's basically going to use a squeezy soap, not a soap.
Soap is soap.
Not a soap bar, which is what Miss Madison done. But you know what? If it works out, she may have just started a new life hack. Or beauty hack, I guess. Let us actually know down below, before she comes back and tries it, do you think it's going to work or do you think it's not going to work?
I feel like my eyebrows are going to hate me for what I'm about to do to them, but it's fine. Wait, let's try.
Let me see this before I start anything myself. Should I do it for you? Because you're laughing too much.
You know what, Madison? I love you, but this ain't for me. This routine ain't for me. I mean, there's soap in it. Let's see if it actually makes a difference. You know, maybe it will shake things up. You see what I did there?
Yeah.
It's supposed to just even out your skin tone. I actually really like the way it looks. Also, yes, I know I aggressively beat my face when I'm doing
She say what foundation she uses?
A skin tint.
Okay, so next up is...
Okay.
Right. She has a skin tint, and actually so do I. I've got a BB cream.
What the hell is skin tint?
It's like a BB cream. Or like a...
And I had the audacity to call us makeup gurus.
Or like a tinted moisturiser. I am just going to do foundation because I might as well.
Foundation.
And I've actually got a new one, but this one still has a bit left. I could just see the background.
So they're like shaking it up. Shaking it up. Oh my gosh, the puns are coming today. Sorry.
Stop it. I use the Revlon Colour Stay Normal to Dry Skin in the shade 250.
Alright, cool. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm pretty sure half the products in here, this sounds really bad, they're expired. But anyways, it's fine. Are yours expired? Probably.
I don't think so.
Because whatever year Fenty came to London, that's when I bought this Fenty.
I actually have one, but I don't use it anymore.
That's the one we went.
Yeah,
that's when we.
I stopped using it, but it's because I found it too dry on my skin. But she came out with a new one. She has the Hydro Fill or something like that.
We should try it.
I want to try that one.
We should try and review. Fam, guys, you know, I'm not gonna lie.
We should do the Fenty line because she has like bare different products.
You got Fenty money?
I did.
Must be. Maybe next month we'll do it for you guys.
The Lord and Savior of concealers, which is the NARS Creamy Concealer.
I want to try.
I want to try it as well.
I hear so many people go on about this damn concealer.
I want to try it as well.
I want to try.
This is what I mean. Next month, yeah, we're just
We should
gonna
do
be
like
like.
first impressions basically of like makeup that we want to try.
That is exactly what we're gonna do. We've said it here. We don't lie to you guys.
Should we pause it while she's just concealing essentially?
Well, Madison, we love you, but we're going a bit haywire here.
We're gonna go a bit, yeah.
I don't know which concealer. Okay, for concealer,
Yeah, which one do you use?
I'm basic. I use.
I'm basic.
I'm very basic. I use LA Girl Pro Concealer in beautiful bronze. Actually, I use multiple shades. For under my eyes, I use two different ones to get a, you know, that match.
Well, while she's looking for it, I use the Revolution Conceal and Define. It's these ones. I feel like they once upon a time came out fairly new.
So in terms of concealer, I use the also basic again, same one, but in chestnut and espresso. But
I've actually tried not that specific colour. I've tried the.
I was thinking like.
I've tried the.
That's
LA,
what I thought. I was like, what do you mean you've tried?
No, I've tried LA Pro Girl, but I don't know. On me, it's like it just doesn't sit right under my eyes. I don't know if I'm applying it wrong. I don't know, but it's not working out for me.
But you know what happened with this? Do you see how this one there's no like brush at the end? Like,
what did you do to it?
oh, it dried out, so I had to cut the brush. And I thought maybe if I cut the brush, it will come out, but it didn't. So what I did, I cut the top, and it comes up through the top, like there. Smart. Jinx. Okay, so I basically done my eyebrows. So while she's doing her eyebrows, okay guys, let's go back to the song. So you tell me what song I'm playing, right? You probably know what dance I'm doing. If you don't, then go watch it.
Alright, so guys, I've now done my eyebrows, I've done the like concealer and all that, so I think now we're at the same stage.
Pretty much.
Now that I have the concealer on, which
Okay,
I'm
never
willing
mind.
to accept this guy for what he is, I go in with the Charlotte Tilbury, I think they're called glow sticks, contour ones. I use it very sparingly.
So she does contour now.
Way.
I mean, I don't contour, but
I bronze.
So I start with all cream-based products
Oh,
first.
now she's gonna go into
Again,
powder.
this might be criminal and really wrong to do it this way, but this is the way that works for me, so this is the way that I do it. My favorite product
Oh,
in
now she's going to
makeup,
blush, I
period,
think.
is blush.
Right, she does cream contour, I do powder bronzer.
Wait.
So I'm just gonna do my bronzing as normal. For bronzer, I use the Morphe Highlight and Contour palette, and I use the shade called Donut, and it's just this first one up there.
donut.
Yeah, I'm a donut.
Do I have a blush? I feel like at some point in life I had something. Oh, I do. It's probably expired again, but you know what? It's fine. Okay, guys, we're gonna somewhat reset up, not relocate, but like reset up. But we'll be back.
Light. So
Yeah,
one
we'll be
sec.
back.
So we're back.
Obviously, it's
We had a bit of a camera change, but it's
camera change. Girl, you
Angle
can see that we've got
change.
cameras.
Sorry, light change. I meant camera change like angle, not camera. So we're just gonna continue where we left off at.
I'm just gonna sit here because I'm not gonna touch anything. Yeah, I'm wearing this now. I forgot. I'm wearing this because
Showed an accident.
I don't know how.
Well, let me not say accident. That makes it sound bad. I
I'm
mean,
gonna
if you can
try-
see it, you can't.
Yeah,
She's
if you
not
think
there.
you can see it, it's not.
Charlotte Tilbury cream blush. I put a lot of this stuff on. And
This is another thing I want to try, but I want to try the highlighting one.
blush,
I need
no
blush.
matter what. And I know it looks like a lot.
I don't own blush.
Do you need my blush?
I
can
also
try.
completely
I was just gonna put lip gloss on it
I know,
and
it's
I,
like
I don't recommend you doing it.
I'm gonna do it anyways.
Should we pause it?
Is it even gonna show? Probably not. But you know it's fine.
I'm using my big ass palette that has multiple different stuff in it, not just blush. Don't think I own this much blush. But I use this one.
Wait.
there.
Let's see if this actually wait.
Why would you use lip gloss though, where it's all sticky?
Well, I'm trying to follow Queen Madison. Look, see, you've got a pinky toe. Ha ha.
Madison did not use lips gloss, did she? So you're not really following her.
blush. It's okay, it's fine, because once this is over, it's coming off anyway. How does she blend? How do you blend this in? Like, she uses a brush.
She uses a beauty blender.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm using my beauty blender to blend this out. That's such a rosy colour. Oh my god. This is kind of cute. Wait. Oh, it's not glowy. You know what? I'm actually going to put actual fake blush on. It just smells like apples. I can see the pink. The pink is showing up. The pink is showing up.
Yeah.
Operations is about to go down. Just warning everybody. This is the Charlotte Tilbury powder, and I'm gonna just try to powder.
Okay, I don't powder.
My eyes.
Well, I've already powdered, so.
I don't powder.
What's that?
Bronzer.
To my bronzer.
I don't do that step.
Just did that.
And I don't really ever nose contour because again,
this is what I need to do.
fearful of the unknown. I have no idea what I'm doing ever when it comes to that. But again, this is something my makeup artist has given me confidence over the past.
Okay, so she does nose contour bronze. So I might
But it's
do it.
very red.
I'm gonna quickly do my nose one then.
I think it was.
Because I didn't do it because I didn't know she did it.
So the
Right.
next step is
Highlight.
beloved Morphe Madison Beer.
I actually want to try her palette.
This is highlight, right?
Yes,
Oh
eyeshadow.
my goodness me!
Okay, so she did a light shade.
I don't highlight, I don't eyeshadow.
I do.
But just into the crease of my eyes right here.
Girl, you're doing too
And I'm
much.
using, I keep going back into
That's what
this
I
lighter
said.
shade.
I can try this.
My eye in the middle.
I can attempt.
I'm just gonna watch her attempt it.
I will attempt. I will do it for the both of us.
You know, while she's doing this, I'm gonna put on lashes, because why not?
So she did like a brownie in the outer corner and a like white light one in the inner corner. So that is what I will try to do. But I think she first set it with a light one. So let's see what I have in my many various of palettes. I better look like Madison at the end of this.
Like there's supposed to be like what, a face change?
Yeah, I'm following her. Look at it.
Oh, that's annoying. The whole lash came off.
Well, I tried to do what she did. I don't know how well it worked out for me, but
Best eyeshadow color in the world. So I use this brush for my inner corner.
what
that's
do you
it.
do?
And this is what I do. So I always try to look down or like center.
Oh, I'm not even attempting that.
Eyeliner, forget about it.
I'm
I'm
not even
sorry.
attempting that one. I'm sorry.
The next step is my highlighter.
Finally!
About time.
The Charlotte
Finally!
Again, this is what I want to try.
Just know we're using Fenty Beauty Cinnamon Matchstick.
I'm just going back to my Morphe one. But I want to try the iconic highlighting drops.
I guess. And
Just two types of highlights? Okay. Do you remember this highlight?
Yeah, I've got it.
Every goddamn person and their mom wanted this highlight. Okay, we're gonna put this on and we'll be back.
Basically.
and it makes my eyelashes look like eyelash extensions. It just fills
Oh,
them out so much.
is it the L'Oreal one?
Well, I've already stuck on lashes right now.
So
You can do your
now
mascara.
I'm going to my highlighter, and
Again.
I use this color.
While she's doing that, do your mascara, please.
How does she do
My
more
inner
mascara?
corner in this palette, and so I
Well,
put this into the
you
inner
know
corner.
what? We don't question
Not
it.
mascara,
I don't do
highlight.
too much.
Alright, I'm gonna come back. I need to use that mirror to do this.
Okay, at this point, we shouldn't actually really question it, you know, because it's Madison. If we want Madison face, we gotta do Madison routine. So, it's above me. He's probably not even stuck on properly. Ah! Don't do it. I mean it. Don't do it. Don't try to be a smartass, because you're not one. So basically, what have
does
we
she
done?
do now?
We're
Because
pretty much at the end.
oh, thank God.
And you know what it is? I love you, Madison, but like, we just took too long. How long do we have left? We've got like a minute left. A lip liner. I don't do that.
I don't really do lip line. I'll be quite honest.
She's gonna use
This
lip.
lip gloss I
Oh,
found
she's in lip gloss.
from TikTok. This is the
Okay,
ultimate.
give me a second. Madison, I love you, but you're going a bit too fast for us. Wait. You know what I realized? There's a difference in a makeup routine than what I do, but I'll share it afterwards.
What do you mean?
Did you not just hear me say I'll share it after? Spritz. I'm done.
And then just lip gloss. I want to see what she does to her
Finishing
hair.
touch, final step of my makeup daily
Oh.
routine is my hoops. I can't leave the house without my hoops, and if I do leave the house without my hoops, it's a very strange, weird day.
Same.
I think I've been wearing gold hoops.
I kind of spat there. No one saw
every
that.
day
Same.
since I was like 15 probably. I just completes my whole vibe. Because then I can wear sweatpants and still feel like I did something. Alright guys,
Oh.
that's it for me. Thank you so much.
Oh, she's done.
Okay, so now she's done. This is basically the finish, somewhat the finished look, but we'll come back and talk to you guys once we've cleaned up, done our hair.
Ourselves up, basically.
Essentially. So we'll be right back. Wait, should we do like a little transition? Wait, let's do a little transition and we do it together. Ready? Ready? Clap for hands. 3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Oh, why are we so we're really extra, but you know
How
it's fine.
do we look? Did we accomplish the Madison Beer Vogue?
I mean, you closer than me.
routine.
You closer than me.
I take that as a compliment.
You know what?
I think you still did well considering a lot of the products she used you don't use in general.
Yeah.
So I think you did quite well considering.
Yeah. What I know is she does her highlight before setting it. I like normally set my face, then put the highlight.
Oh,
and
no,
then
I do it the way she does it.
I do it the other way because then it glows more afterwards because of the shimmy shimmy. And there was something else. I'm looking. I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm looking at the window. Let me look in the mirror. Oh, you probably can't even see me.
I'll just for your wet hair now.
You're welcome.
I don't want to feel.
You know what? I do notice a difference. A slight difference, but I can't.
Yeah,
You know,
I do feel like
put a finger on it.
I did. I think it's because the only difference I did was in terms of eyeshadow. She uses, in terms of tone, I do the same. I just do it differently. Like she does more of a like winged out almost eyeshadow, as I don't. I just do the lid. So for me, that's like the only thing really that I did different. And then she uses a lot of cream products, and I use a lot of powder products.
I don't know what type of products I use, but I use products.
I use products, and it works.
You know what? If I actually had every product, I'll give it like a 10 out of 10. But then again, we just took long. Some more than others just took long. I didn't mean say you. I said some more than others, as in some steps took longer than other steps. Anyways.
Because that feels like a shade.
No, there was no shade. There was no shade. There was no shade.
Okay.
Anyways, we're basically done.
Let us know if we look like Madison's twin 2.0.
Ooh.
Or if we didn't succeed in doing her look.
I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe share the video.
Make sure to turn on post notifications so you know when we next upload.
And you can also follow our social medias, which will be here on the screen or linked down below. And you didn't let me say it.
I'm waiting for you to say it.
Oh my goodness, I fully forgot. I was just waiting for you to say
That's
it.
why I stared at you.
Oh my gosh. Guys, she's learned. I'm so proud of her. Okay, I forgot. Oh,
I forgot.
and that's all for this week, folks. Tune in next week for more of us and whatever we got planned.
We'll see you guys next week.
Bye. Guys, friends, I'm actually gonna insert this clip in. I forgot my earrings and now we got my earrings back in. So yeah, now this is the end of the video.